day, everyone. So welcome to our another episode of our mental health advocacy. For today's video, we're going to talk about what is mental health. So mental health is a person's emotional, psychological, and social well-being.
Ano po ate? How are you coming? Kumusta ang iyong pag-aaral? Okay lang po, masyado. Ate, natagalan ako umuwi ng bahay kasi napakadami ko pong ginawa sa paaralan. Mayroon po kasi kaming mga tinapos na mga gawain. Pasensya po.
Lang yan. Magbihis ka na at maghanda pa ako ng ating hapunan.
Thank you ate. Nanalo po ako sa aming quiz bee sa school po.
Mommy, I win another competition.
Wow, good for you.
Thank you, Mommy.
What do you want? Do you want to shopping?
Yes, Mommy.
Do you want to shopping? You go.
Thank you, Mommy.
Yes, Mommy.
Okay, this is with credit card na. Congratulations.
Thank you, Mommy.
Kaya si ate, excited ko naman akong sabihin sa kanya. Wala na naman siya. Ano to? Saan to? Nagawa pa niya magsaya. Dito siya.
Continue lang.
Lorraine, nandyan ka na pala. Kumain ka na ba?
Oh, bakit ganyan ka lang?
naman sa oras na kailangan kita.
Ka lang ba? Ano ba nangyari? Maaari mo ba akong sabihan? Maaari mo naman akong sabihan.
Wala ate, kailangan lang kita. Wala ka na naman sa oras na kailangan kita. Kailangan ko lang ng support mo. Saan ka ba galing?
Nag-overtime kasi ako sa trabaho kasi kailangan.
Talaga ba? Ano naman ito?
Pinilit lang ako ng mga katrabaho ko dahil birthday ng boss namin. Pinilit lang kasi ako ng mga kaibigan ko dyan dahil karawan ng boss ko. Sorry na.
Ano kasi ate, nagka-conflict kami ng isa kaklase ko kasi chat kasi sila, tapos isinumbong ko sa aming guro. Tapos pinuntahan sila ng kanilang mga magulang, tapos ako lang ang walang magulang doon. Naramdaman ko na naman na ako lang mag-isa, wala dito si mama, wala ka. At dahil doon, nabagsak ko yung mga exam ko, hindi ako nakapasa. Ilang beses pa tayo masasaktan dahil iniwan tayo nila mama. Bakit pa niya ako binuhay? Bakit pa siya nagkaanak? Yung iiwanan lang din naman niya. Ang sakit-sakit ate, wala si mama sa mga araw na kailangan ko siya. Lalong-lalo na sa school, ang mga iba kong kaklase, mayroon silang mama na sumusuporta sa kanila. Sa akin, wala. Ang sakit-sakit po, ang unfair, Bakit pa ako nabuhay? Bakit pa akong ginawa?
Siguro para sa akin, para meron akong kakampi.
Huwag na ate!
Halika.
Huwag mo akong iwan ha? Kasi tayo na lang dalawa.
Pangako, hindi kita iniwan.
Ate? Wow! Bakit may pagganito? Ate! Andito na po ako! Ate? Wow! Ito talaga yung gusto ko. Wow! Mayroon pang pa-wine. At yung bihon na gusto ko. Oh, sarap-sarap naman ito. Saan kaya si ate? 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 Anong ginawa mo sa sarili mo? Bakit ka nagkaganito, ate? Ate, ayaw mo kong iwan. Ate. Ano to?
Rain, kung nababasa mo ito, nangangahulugan lamang nakabitay na ako. Maganda pa rin ba ako? kayang sabihin ito sa'yo sa personal dahil alam ko na mawawala ang respeto mo sa akin bilang ate. Pero sana'y pakinggan mo pa rin ang mga habilin ko. Lord, ingatan mo ang iyong sarili. Mahalin mo. At please, Lord, huwag mong gawin ito sa iyong sarili. Pangako? Pangako yan ha. Ubusin mo ang bihon na hinanda ko sa iyo at yung pangarap mo makakain sa mamahaling restaurant. Hindi kaya sa budget ni ate kaya mayan lang ang nakaya ko. Pasensya ka na. At sa huling marami. At sa huli, maraming salamat, Cor. Dahil ikaw ang rason kung bakit ako umabot sa edad 24. Simula nang iniwan tayo sa mama at namatay si papa, ikaw ang nagpatuloy ng buhay ko. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng ginawa mo kay ate. Mamahal, Ate Flory. Karagatan, ayos lang ba kung ikaw ang makasaksi sa aking kamatayan? Ayos lang ba kung sa iyo tuluyang magpahinga itong aking katawan? Katulad ng unang araw kitang pinuntahan, napakaganda ng pagsibol ng araw, napakapayapa ng iyong mga alon na parabang sumasabay sila sa lungkot at lumbay na aking nararamdaman. Simula ng araw na yon, ikaw na ang nagsilbing kapayapaan sa magulong isipan. Ikaw ang nagsilbing tagapaghilom ng mga malalalim na sugat. Ngunit, patawad, dahil hindi na kaya ni takip silim na ako ay galingin. Hindi na kaya nila alon na ako ay patahanin. Patawad, karagatan, kung napagod na ang aking mga mata na ikaw ay pagmasdan. Kung matigas na ang mga puso para ikaw ay pakinggan. Dahil hindi na humihilom ang mga sugat. Hindi na pumapayapa ang isipan. Hindi na marunong magmahal ang aking puso. Patawad. Patawad, karagatan. At paalam.
Anak, are you okay?
Yes, I'm okay, Ma.
Is it bad dream again?
It's really a bad dream.
First, drink your milk first.
Thank you.
10 o'clock in the evening. You're not done yet?
I almost done, Mom. After this, I will sleep now.
Okay, I will sleep first. Good night, Nak.
Good night, Ma.
It's how person thinks, feels, and acts. and how they deal with stress, relate to others, and make choices. Mental health is important throughout life, from childhood to adulthood. Mental health is more than just the absence of mental disorder or disabilities. It's a state of well-being that allows people to cope with life's stresses, realize their abilities, learn well, work well, and contribute to the community. There are many types of mental health disorder, just like depression, anxiety, bipolar disorder, schizophrenia, and many more. There are 3 most common symptoms in mental health disorder. Number 1, sleep or appetite changes. Dramatic sleep and appetite changes or decline in personal care. Number 2, mood changes. Rapid or dramatic shifts in emotions or depressed feelings or greater irritability. Number 3, withdrawal. Recent social withdrawal and loss of interest in activities previously enjoyed. World Health Organization or WHO estimates that 154 million Filipinos have depression, 1 million have schizophrenia, and 15.3 million have substance use disorders. And WHO estimates also that 877,000 of Filipinos die by suicide each year. 8.9 of young Filipino adults experience moderate to severe depressive symptoms, with females experiencing higher rates than males. Is mental illness curable? No, mental illness is not curable, but it can be treated and managed. Treatments can help people with mental illness live long and healthy lives. Some treatments for mental illness include medication. Psychiatric medication can improve symptoms and make other treatments more effective. Some examples include antidepressants, anti-anxiety medication, and mood-stabilizing medications. Another one is therapy. Psychotherapy is a common treatment that can involve supportive therapy, behavioral therapy, or cognitive therapy. Third one is lifestyle changes. This can include getting regular exercise, eating healthy, and making sleep a priority. How to help people with mental health illness. Expressing your concern and support. Reminding your friend or family member that help is available and that mental health problems can be treated. Asking questions, listening to ideas, and being responsive when the topic of mental health problems come up. Reassuring your friend or family member that you care about them. And now, if you're experiencing mental health disorder, don't forget to call 911 or go to the nearest emergency room for life-threatening situations. And if you are suicidal or in emotional distress, consider using the 988 Suicide and Crisis Lifeline. And lastly, be reminded with this quote: mental health is not a destination, but a process. We don't keep ourselves mentally healthy to achieve something in the longer run. Being mentally healthy is for the moment. Once the moment is gone, it no longer matters whether you were healthy before or might be after. That now is important, not what comes after. Don't forget to share, follow, and subscribe. And see you again to our another episodes of Mental Health Awareness.